So I thought I'd make a video since there's nowhere else that I found online that has for this model. This is a Dodge Dart 2-liter 2013, and I replaced the oil pressure sensor on it. So first thing you're going to do is remove the air intake manifold. I don't have a improved one at the moment. I just have the stock one, but then there's this cabling right there, and right there, yeah, you're gonna have to cut that because this prevents you from moving the whole switch, which this is the switch or the connector system harness thing, and right there, that brass connector or sensor is what you would be replacing for your oil pressure sensor. So you want to click this all the way out right here, press it right here, and you click it down, and then there's a little yeah, it's right there where you will press down on it and then pull out. But again, you have to cut this first, then push that out, and then hold, press here and hold and pull. And it takes a 27 millimeter wrench. Don't buy a socket wrench because I did, and it's a waste of money. You can't fit that in here, not on this version of engine. But a small adjustable wrench is what I used, and I was able to fit it in there. Pushing down tightens it, pulling up loosens it, and yeah, so I'm gonna check. Hopefully that's the new sensor that's in there right now. I gotta reset the engine, disconnect the battery, and see what the engine light says, but that's technically the steps. If everything goes right, that's what you would do to change the sensor, and then put everything back the way you had it, and you're good to go. So I thought I'd let everybody know.